Can you show the dance? Wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle.
Hi guys, we opened these toys. MikeQueL&KidS and Poodle.
And the other one?
MikeQueL&KidS.
Oh yeah?
I can open these.
It's a monster poodle.
Yeah, it's
And
a
this
monster
one
poodle
is-
truck.
Hot Wheels monster oversized mega Wrex.
Yeah,
Whoa.
it's an oversized.
How can we open it?
Like this.
Oh. Whoa. How about this one? Can I see it? It's 4x4, Zachary?
Yeah, and that monster truck is 6x6.
Wow.
Whoa, that's also by 4x4. Here they are.
Let me see that one. Wow. Whoa. Those are the reflectors. Wow.
I can see somebody in.
Those are the teeth.
And I got the teeth too.
See? Look. You think he can jump the bed? No. Let's see if the monster truck can jump the bed. Yeah.
Highest?
All the way down. Oh!
Oh, it crashed.
Whoa! How about this ramp right here? Try it. This time, oh, it's too big.
Yep, too big.
How about this one right here?
Let's see this one get big.
It's not gonna fit.
That's cool.
How about that green one over there? The green one. Right.
This one.
No, right there.
Oh, that one. This one.
Yeah. Try it.
This one.
Can you put it closer here?
Oh, okay. Yeah. Don't put it in the lamp.
Yeah. Whoa, what is that?
The
It's
truffle neck lamp.
it's a ramp that.
Ding, ding.
Whoa!
Oh, I did a backflip. That was too,
Wow, we got
that's
stuck.
too big. It doesn't fit the
How
jump.
about Caitlin's car? Let me see again. Do it.
Wait.
Press it again.
Wait. Check this out.
What is that?
Oh, is it a gummy wing? There's a gummy wing?
It's like a bracelet?
Yeah.
It came with a toy?
Yeah, this is these. Hey, give it. I'm from here.
Let me see that one. Wow, it's your bracelet. Can I see it? Wow, you like the bracelet?
Mm-hmm. Whoa, look at the back.
Let me see. Whoa, those are the types of Monster Jam cars or truck. Oh, there's more. Whoa, Scooby-Doo.
And look.
Monster Jam, Scooby-Doo.
Cow.
Oh, look, let's try that one. That's fun. Here.
Doesn't fit.
Doesn't fit. Oh, look, try it.
But it's mine first. What's
Try
mine
it first.
first? I think this
It's
fit.
gonna fit. See? Press it.
It only goes 1 mile per hour.
1 mile per hour.
But these are small cars.
Yeah.
Well, I'll have small cars. We have a ton.
Whoa, that's a lot. Lots of toys. What are those?
I thought that toys are here.
Whoa.
Where'd I go?
How about that monster truck, Zachary? You think it's gonna jump?
No.
Try it on that green thing.
Yeah. No, not that. I want to use. Maybe let's use.
Let me see that.
This?
You try, Zachary. Try putting it on the top again. The big, yeah.
Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. It's easy. Me.
Whoa. That went far.
Yeah. And he also. This one can fit in the washing machine. Yeah, because it can only fit for cars. And it says car wash. Look, it can fit here. It's a mini rack. It's car wash.
You gonna do car wash?
No, it can't fit. Let me show you. See? That head of that. The wheels of that and the chassis. It's climbing up the slide. And come down. I can see you, Daddy. I can see you, Daddy.
Hello, I see you too.
I can see you, bud. Check out the wheels. It can fit when I put it inside. Look. Look. Daddy, look. Daddy, Daddy.
What are they doing?
Sliding the poodle in. This is 2. Hi, Daddy.
Let me see.
Hey, Dad. The front wheels have a front steering, and the back wheels have a back steering. See? Look, Daddy. And down.
Bless you.
Then,
Are you done playing?
no. And then,
Okay, say bye-bye now.
bye-bye.
Okay. Wiggly. Wiggly. Okay, say bye-bye now.
Bye.
Say I love you.
I love you too.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.